In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Word document read-only. This feature is especially helpful when you want to protect your work from unwanted or accidental changes, particularly when sharing documents with other people. By setting your file to read-only, you can maintain its original format and content while still allowing others to view it easily. Let's begin with one of the simplest ways to apply this protection. Inside Microsoft Word, open the document you want to secure. Then move to the File tab in the upper left corner of your screen. From there, select the Info section where you will find various options related to your document. Look for the Protect Document button. Click on it and choose the option labeled Mark as Final. Once you confirm the prompt that appears, your document will be set to read only. This method is quick and convenient, although it mainly serves as a gentle reminder rather than a strict lock. If you need stronger protection, there is a more secure approach available. Go to the Review tab located at the top of the window and click on Restrict Editing. A sidebar will appear, giving you control over editing permissions. In that panel, enable the option that limits editing and choose the setting that prevents any changes. After that, activate the protection feature and, if necessary, assign a password. This ensures that only authorized users can make modifications, adding an extra layer of security to your document. Another way to achieve a read-only setup is through your computer's file settings. Start by closing the document, then locate the file in its folder. Right-click on it and open the Properties window. Within the General tab, you will find a checkbox labeled Read Only. Select it, apply the changes, and confirm. This method restricts editing unless someone saves a separate copy of the file. You can also set your document to suggest read-only mode upon opening. To do this, go back into Word, select Save As, and choose your preferred location. Before saving, access the Additional Options menu and open the General settings. Enable the option that recommends opening the file as read-only, then save your document. This will prompt users to open it in a protected state while still giving them the choice to edit if needed. And that's everything you need to know about making a Word document read-only. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.